Where rules dissolved into afterburner flames, where speed wasn't glory, it was survival. Today we count down the 30 fastest jets ever built, machines that bent the sky and nearly melted while doing it, starting with number 30. Nord 1500 Griffin II Mach 2.19. Built in 1957 as an experimental interceptor, only 2 were made. First flown by André Turcat, the pilot sat inside a massive intake, a flying chimney of raw ramjet power. Number 29, Sukhoi Su-11 Fishpot, Mach 2.19. Born 1961, built to intercept bombers at the edge of space, around 108 produced. First flown by Vladimir Ilyushin, a Soviet spear thrown upward at impossible speed. Number 28, Dassault Mirage 2000 Mach 2.20. Built 1978, a multi-role fighter of precision, 601 built, flown first by Jean-Marie Saguet. Fast, light, deadly. Number 27, Dassault Mirage 4 from 1959, France's nuclear strike arrow, 66 produced, first flown by Roland Glavany. Fast enough that friction warmed the fuel inside its own tanks. Number 26, Lockheed F-104 Starfighter, built in 1954 Interceptor, 2,578 built, first flown by Tony LaVere. So sharp, the ground crews wore gloves, a missile with a cockpit. Number 25, Dassault Mirage 3, built in 1956 Interceptor, 1,422 produced, first flown by Roland Glavany, the first European jet to shatter Mach 2 in level flight, speed as an export product. Number 24, BAC Concorde Mach 2.23, built in 1967 civilian transport, 20 built, first flown by André Turcat, a jet that shrunk oceans, stretching nearly a foot from heat mid-flight. Number 23, McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II Mach 2.23, built in 1958 fighter bomber, 5,195 made, first flown by Robert C. Little. Aerodynamically a brick, but rocket engines don't care about aerodynamics. Number 22, Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker E, 2008 air dominance, 150 plus built, flown first by Sergei Bogdan. Thrust vectoring so sharp it breaks expectations and sometimes physics. Number 21, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, 1997 stealth air superiority, 195 built, first flown by Paul Metz, moves at Mach 2 without leaving a trace. Now we enter the number 20. Mikoyan MiG-29 Fulcrum, Mach 2.25, 1977 short-range air defense, 1,600 produced, first flown by Alexander Fedotov, can accelerate vertically, gravity left behind. Number 19, Mikoyan Yi-66, Mach 2.25, 1962 speed record prototype, only 1 built, first flown by Georgy Mosolov, a stripped-down bullet designed for one purpose: go faster. Number 18, English Electric Lightning Mach 2.27, 1954 Interceptor, 337 built, first flown by Roland Beaumont. 2 engines stacked like dynamite, designed to reach 40,000 feet before you finish the sentence. Number 17, Pannovia Tornado ADV Mach 2.27, 1979 long-range interceptor, 165 built, first flown by Paul Millett. Wings that change shape mid-battle, a jet that adapts to speed itself. Number 16, Convair F-106 Delta Dart, Mach 2.31, 1956 nuclear interceptor, 342 built, first flown by Richard Johnson, fast enough to deliver atomic fire at a bomber fleet, and then vanish. Number 15, Dassault Mirage G, Mach 2.34, 1967 swing wing prototype, only 1 built, first flown by Jean-Marie Saguet, a French what-if, speed and flexibility in constant argument. Number 14, Sukhoi 27 Flanker, Mach 2.35, 1977 air superiority, 809 plus built, flown first by Vladimir Ilyushin. Speed disguised as elegance. Number 13. Mikoyan MiG-23, Mach 2.35, 1967 swing-wing multi-role, 5,000 produced. First flight by Viktor Konstantinov. Rough runways to Mach 2, a transformer with an attitude. Number 12. Grumman F-14 Tomcat, Mach 2.38, 1970 Fleet Defense, 712 built. First flown by Robert Smythe. Hollywood made it famous. Supersonic wings made it legendary. Number 11. Tupolev Tu-144 Mach 2.43, 1968 supersonic transport, 16 built, first flown by Edward Elian. So powerful it cruised with afterburners, the Soviet Sonic Hammer. Now we enter the top 10. General Dynamics F-111 Aardvark, Mach 2.50, 1964, low-level strike, 563 built, first flight, Dick Johnson. Mach 2 at treetop height, where drag feels like solid concrete. Number 9. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, Mach 2.50, 1972, air superiority, 1900 plus built. First flight, Irving Burroughs, 104 victories, 0 losses. Speed with results. Number 8. Mikoyan E-152, Mach 2.52, 1959, prototype interceptor, 1 built. First flown, Alexander Fedotov. Fuel plus turbine plus rage, that's the design philosophy. Number 7. Mikoyan E-150, Mach 2.72, 1957, engine test platform, 1 made. First flight, Vladimir Ilyushin. Designed to find the melting point of metal. Number 6. Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound, Mach 2.83, 1975, long-range interceptor, 500 built. First flown, Alexander Fedotov. So fast the canopy could burn skin if you touched it in flight. Number 5. North American XB-70 Valkyrie, Mach 3.08, 1964, nuclear bomber prototype, 2 built. First flight, Al White. Heavier than the Statue of Liberty, yet surfed its own shockwave to outrun bullets. Number 4. Lockheed YF-12, Mach 3.02, 1963, interceptor prototype, 3 made. First flight, Bill Park. Missiles fired at Mach 3. The computer had to think faster than the pilot. Number 3. Mikoyan MiG-25 Foxbat, Mach 3.22, 1964, high-altitude interceptor, 1,190 built. First flown, Alexander Fedotov. Stainless steel armor. Rumored its radar could kill rabbits near the runway. Number 2. Lockheed SR-31 Blackbird, Mach 3.32, 1964, reconnaissance, 32 built. First flight, Bob Gilliland. Over 4,000 missiles fired, none hit. Its countermeasure, more throttle. Number 1. Lockheed A-12 Oxcart, Mach 3.35, 1962, CIA reconnaissance, 13 built. First flight, Lou Schalk. Still the fastest jet ever recorded. 35 football fields per second and still accelerating. Speed wasn't the limit, heat was, and some of these jets flew so fast their fuel tanks melted from the inside.